Alright guys, so it's Matt Lloyd here. I'm about to call one of our mob affiliates, a guy called Paul Lynch. Paul lives in the UK and I've actually never spoken to him in my life before. We've spoken by Skype, Facebook, chat. I've known him now for over a year. He's one of our top affiliates, but this is actually the first time we've spoken on phone, so it's kind of strange. Anyway, Paul has just crossed a major milestone in Mob. He has become the fourth person in our company history, out of many thousands of affiliates, to cross over $1 million in commissions. So I'm about to call him now and tell him the good news. He thinks I'm calling to talk about his car. He actually just qualified for a brand new car from Mob as part of our Mob Motors program, so he's excited about that. But I'm going to tell him about the $1 million. He already knows all about that he was close, but I don't think he knows that he's actually officially done it just yet. So let's call him.
Hey Matt, how are you doing, buddy?
Hey Paul, doing good. How are you doing?
Oh, fantastic, mate, fantastic.
Yeah, I think this is the first time we've ever spoken.
It is correct, yeah. It's been a while, but yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah,
nice to meet you finally.
You too. I saw your car on Facebook. It's looking good.
Oh, it's a beauty, mate, a beauty.
Yeah. Now, Paul, I said I wanted to talk to you about your car, but I actually was lying. I wanted to actually congratulate you because you've just crossed $1 million in commissions.
Oh my God, you little monkey! I was just asking you then, and then you say, "No, no, you've not done it yet." Oh, that's amazing! Oh my God!
Yep, you've just done it. You were, I think you're about $10,000. So with prize money and all of your commissions, you're comfortably over it now. Fourth person to ever do it.
God. That is amazing. I knew I was quite close, but my God! Oh, that's just the feeling's just unbelievable.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
How long has it taken you? When did you first start promoting Mob?
I think it's probably, is it 10, 11 months? It's not, definitely not over a year, because I think was it February? You'll probably know better than me. I think it was last Feb.
Wow.
So
Okay. So not even a year.
Yeah, not even a year. Yeah, that's yeah. Because that was the goal. I was trying to keep up with Shakir and stuff, because as you know, he's one of my friends, and I know he'd done it in around about 12 months. I was going to try and beat him, but yeah, I'm sure it's about 11 months. Maybe 10 months, 10, 11 months, which is fantastic, really.
Yeah, we'll check on that. I think then, if that's the case, you would be pretty close to beating Shakir. I think he was about a year, somewhere. Actually, I think it was about 11 months, so I think you guys are pretty close.
Oh, fantastic.
I'll check and see the exact dates. But that's good. So you are, I think I saw your last monthly payout. Where are you sitting now, like average payout per month? What's it averaging these days?
Well, yeah, well, the beauty about this, Matt, is I was speaking to the guys who obviously work for you on the telesale side,
yeah,
and they were saying, "Oh, December's going to be a really quiet month for you, so don't be disappointed." Because I've been averaging around about $100,000 a month, I think, thereabouts. And December was actually one of my best months. I did 140K in December,
wow,
and like that, and obviously Christmas and New Year and everything. So it's just, honestly, for anyone who's listening to this, it's just, I've never ever been involved in something that converts as well as Mob. And Matt, you'll know yourself, with what I do, Mob is just like a part-time thing for me. It's crazy, but you know, what I'm doing in this year is scaling things up because of the conversions that I'm getting through Mob. That is becoming an absolute focus and priority in my business now.
Yeah.
For obvious reasons. But yeah, I've done that literally part time, and people who have been following my Facebook and stuff, just feel free to look on there every time. I'm not joking. Every time you post on my Facebook saying, "Paul, you just made a $5,000, $8,000 commission," it's literally when I've been sleeping. Like I like wake up and think, "Oh my God, that's like $8,000 while I've been sleeping." That's just, I mean, you just can't. For an ordinary guy like myself, you just can't put into words the feeling that you get when you wake up and you've just made $8,000 while you've been sleeping. I mean, how can you put that into words? You know what I mean, mate?
Yeah,
it's crazy.
Definitely. Yeah, so as you probably worked out, I am going to record this. I hope you don't mind if I share this with a few people.
Not at all. Absolutely.
If anyone is listening to this, so if you've done that in a year and you're now doing over 100 grand per month, what do you think? What separates you from all the other people who try and promote something online and can't make it work? Like what's different? What do you do in your daily routine?
To be honest, it's my biggest saying and my biggest thing that I live by with Morb is I just literally feed the funnel. That is my sort of slogan. Just feed the funnel, because your guys and your coaches and your telesales guys and your phone team, they just do all the converting for you. If you can just get people in top of the funnel, Morb does the rest. It's literally, right. and that's all I've focused on. I've focused on trying to, explain to people that ordinary. I mean, I'll show you an example. I've just done a new video that is coming out to all my subscribers literally later on today, and it involves. I've put the guy, the Frank guy. You did a video with a guy called Frank, who's 85 years old.
Right.
Who made a $3,000 commission at 85. So I literally just try and tell people that, whatever you've tried before in the past, you've got to get all that crap out your head of information overload and everything. You just need to focus on one thing. And if you focus on Morb, if you focus on teaching people that this does work, and you get people in the top of that funnel, Morb will do the rest for you. It converts on autopilot for you. So it's just really, what I've done is try to educate people that this is not some, shiny object where you just press a button and you're going to make millions overnight. If you focus on teaching people and educating people that this is the real deal and this is not the next thing that's here today, gone tomorrow.
Yeah.
And, you do an amazing job with all the masterminds and the things that you do all around the world. The Morb is a bunch of real life, ordinary people who, have gone through a life changing experience because of basically the system that you've set up, buddy.
Yeah, I think the key thing you just said. When I watch your marketing, I'm always kind of watching what you and all our top affiliates are doing. I'm just always curious. And your strength, I see it. You're very good at, like you said, you feed the funnel. I see you getting all of these front-end buyers, and you put all of your focus on that. And then it's like you've got the Morb engine strapped onto the back of that, and it's taking all these front-end buyers, which might be, I think your average price points on the front end might be under $100, but it's bringing those buyers to buyers who will, they'll get involved with our higher level programs, and you're getting those $8,000 commissions overnight. So
yeah, Matt, you've just hit the nail on the head. And when you see this new video, because I've just sent it you as well, and all the people watching this, feel free to share the video. Obviously, just because they'll join under me. But no, that is, you've hit the nail on the head. What I do, I've got like $200, $300, $500 products, front-end products, and I sell them for $5 because I've worked out the hardest thing with this all internet marketing stroke make money online industry. The hardest thing is to get somebody to trust you enough to get their credit card out. Now, whether they spend $5 or $500, they still got to get the credit card out and punch them numbers into PayPal or whatever they do. So I sell high-value products at low cost in order to build the trust, and then Morb's, like you say, that's on the back end, and then you guys do the rest for me.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, the hardest, like you said, the hardest sale you'll ever get is going to be that first sale. So once you can get that, I think our strength in Morb is that we were really good at building a good relationship with a client, and if appropriate, we would offer higher level programs, obviously at a higher price point, that pay out big commissions. So we've got the phone, of course, email, the webinars, the direct mail. You just bring customers in the front door, and then we take over from that point on. So I mean, it's a good partnership. It's worked out well.
Exactly,
worked out well for both of us. All right, well,
best thing I've ever done, buddy. Absolutely, 100% best thing I've ever done. I can honestly, that's from my heart. If anyone's thinking about it, guys, you just gotta do it. Listen to the Morb coach. Just follow along, and you just can't go wrong. It's amazing.
Yeah. Now, Paul, are you going to be at the Home Business Summit coming up?
I am. Yes, I am.
Okay.
I'm making a conscious effort to get there this time.
Are you going to bring your car?
I will do. Yeah, I will.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
All right, we'll get some good video of it then.
Fantastic. Okay, Matt.
All right. Thanks,
Nice
Paul.
to speak to you, mate. Speak soon. Bye now.
Okay. Talk